Ready to unlock a world of Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic, all from the convenience of your Android device. Today, we're diving into how to pay for Disney Plus using your Google Play account, making subscription management a breeze. First things first, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. It's usually pre-installed, so you should find it easily. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Disney Plus. Select the Disney Plus app from the search results. Make sure it's the official app. If you haven't already, tap the install button to download and install the Disney Plus app. If you have it installed, the button will say open. Once installed, tap open to launch the Disney Plus app. Look for the subscribe now or start free trial button. The wording might vary slightly depending on current promotions. Tap on it. You'll see a list of subscription plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Tap on the plan you want. Now, here's the magic. A Google Play payment confirmation screen will pop up. This confirms that the payment will be processed through your Google Play account. Review the details and tap subscribe. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to Disney Plus using your Google Play account. You can now manage your subscription, update your payment method, or cancel directly through the Google Play Store. Enjoy all the amazing content Disney Plus has to offer.